Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find the total value of your Steam account. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log into your account. Once you're logged in and on your main Steam dashboard, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll notice a menu option labeled Help. Go ahead and click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Steam Support. This is your gateway to accessing detailed account information that Steam keeps track of for you. Once the Steam support page loads, you'll see several options related to your account. Click on My Account to proceed. This section contains all the essential details tied to your Steam profile, including purchase records and account activity. It's basically where Steam stores everything related to your account's history and settings. Next, you'll need to access your account data. Look for the option that says Data related to your Steam account and click on it. This feature allows you to view comprehensive information about your account, including all your transactions and the money you've spent over time. It's a useful tool for keeping track of your gaming investments. Now, within this section, you'll see an option labeled Purchase History. Click on it to view a detailed breakdown of every transaction you've made on Steam. Although I don't have any purchases right now, this is where you'll see all your purchase history, including the total cost of every game you've purchased. Each transaction is listed with the date, game title, and the amount you paid, giving you a complete financial overview of your Steam account. Once you have your purchase history displayed on the screen, it's time to compute the total value. Simply go through the list and add up all the individual costs of your purchases. This will give you the complete total value of your Steam account based on everything you've bought. It's a straightforward process that helps you understand exactly how much you've invested in your gaming library over the years. And that's it. You now know the total value of your Steam account by reviewing your complete purchase history. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.